Good morning and welcome to the 10 a.m. daily weather brief. Starting us off, we'll take a look at the current radar out there this morning. We're seeing the area largely free of any reflectivity. Do have a couple of light showers offshore. However, as of current, not really seeing much activity here in the Virginia portion of the peninsula. And we'll move on to the synoptic analysis for the next few days here and looking at it at a week ahead. Our typical midsummer pattern is holding strong as of current, and the next 7 days we're gonna see some weak flow overall across the region. We'll see occasional passing fronts, daily rain chances, and some near seasonal temperatures for much of the time ahead. Wednesday does look to be slightly cooler and mostly dry behind a southward moving front that is moving through the region today. And as that moves through, we'll also see onshore develop, strengthen, and become a bit more persistent throughout our Wednesday. And by Thursday, we will, however, see those daily rain chances begin to make a return into the forecast, and we'll see afternoon and evening storms become more likely, which we can see here on the right-hand side of the screen. And then as we move to Friday, we're looking to continue that trend. We'll see the overall coverage of those afternoon and evening storms a bit lower in comparison to what can be anticipated on Thursday. And on Saturday, we'll see an upwards trend in that coverage as another front sweeps through the region. And given all this muggy air in place, we will see those rain and storm chances again increase in through the weekend. And then once the weekend comes, we will see on Saturday, once that front clears the area, we'll see those rain chances decrease. We'll see temperatures moderating back to around seasonal levels, and those rain chances are going to decrease as well, leaving room for what will be a sunny and clear, or mostly clear, end of the week ahead. As for our 24-hour forecast here today, remaining largely unchanged, seeing rain chances for a majority of the day, lower chances here at the beginning of the period, increasing after midday and through the early afternoon, evening. Then by the time we start to see the sun going below the horizon, we'll see those rain chances slightly decrease. Our instability will also decrease slightly. And overall, we should see just some scattered showers into tomorrow morning. However, through the afternoon today, certainly a chance of seeing some lightning and thunder associated with any pop-up cells that come through the region. And then as for our winds, looking to remain rather light and onshore for a majority of the day, 5 to 10 knots, gusting upwards of 15 at times. Should see a high in the mid-80s and a low around 70, the low 70s at that. Saw some low-level clouds to start us off today, and we're still seeing those low-level clouds here as of current. They began lifting earlier, and now they have lowered back down with plenty of moisture in those lower levels, still anticipating them to eventually begin lifting. And as we move into tomorrow morning, we'll see those low clouds build in once again to start off tomorrow morning. As for our short-term forecast out here on Wednesday, partly to mostly cloudy, greens across the board. In theory, there's a very slight chance of seeing some lingering showers in the early hours of Wednesday morning, and a high around 80 tomorrow. Wednesday night, looking at partly cloudy conditions with a low around 71, greens across the board as well. And Thursday, we see those rain chances introduced once again, partly to mostly cloudy, and seeing a chance of showers and thunderstorms, and a high of 83 with winds looking to be unproblematic. However, we might see a gust upwards of 25 knots or more during some periods of convective activity. And as for the next 7 days ahead, seeing good rain chances today, being more likely than not, chance of seeing showers and thunderstorms. Tomorrow we see a cooling trend behind the front that's moving through the region day. High around 80, should see mostly clear skies or clearing skies on Wednesday. Thursday, clouds build back in, and we see those chances of showers and thunderstorms once again. Friday, continuing that trend, lesser probabilities, but the warmest day of the next week. And on Saturday, we have another front looking to move through, slightly increased probabilities, seeing that chance of showers and thunderstorms. Before Sunday, behind that front, once it passes by, we see moderating temperatures and mostly clear skies or plenty of sunshine with very slight chances of afternoon showers. That is going to conclude the 7-day outlook. Hope everyone has a wonderful rest of their day, and we'll be back tomorrow at 8:15 with the daily weather operations brief.